933 Prairie Grass. So we have a bulging out garage door here. There's a crack, a couple cracks. We definitely would want to power wash the driveway. Maybe consider doing something additional. I know there's some sort of treatment you can do to just sort of minimize the oil stains, but it may not be important in this neighborhood. That's what the property manager is for. So there's a number of houses in this neighborhood that have weeds coming through the rocks. One of the properties at the beginning had trash, a lot of trash in their yard. So it's just a neighborhood you can tell isn't regulated by an HOA, and that may be okay. That's the property manager's call. So of course we would change out the locks to landlord locks and repaint the front door. At the same time we would fill in these little things. That's very common. So remove the tinting from the windows. Not expensive at all. Probably just add 2.5-inch fold blinds to those two bottom windows. Again, that's property manager call. I'm going to say go ahead and 100% repaint because of various scuff marks and all of that, and also the color's pretty dark. The tile, however, does look to be in good condition. So that would be 3, 4, 5, 6 windows and 1 vertical. Again, the tile looks great. The slider was hard to open, so we can clean the track, lube it, and all of that for maybe about 125 or 145. I can't remember exactly. 2 satellite dishes to be removed. Include these in the junking if the property manager suggests that, which she probably will. This is the side of the yard that does get a lot of sun throughout the entire day, so it would be nice if there was a patio cover, and I would recommend painting that side fence there. Although, even though there's a patio cover, it's great to have the concrete and the rock already in place. Oh, okay. Pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to mention those cabinets, and those cabinets are probably going to stay. So the property manager will have to tell us up front if we want to remove those, and then we'll include that in the junking budget. I think we need a good janitorial on these cabinets. I think the fridge needs to go, honestly. The property manager can make that call. There's a lot of dents. And, yeah, she'll have to make that call in person. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I believe we're at 6 windows. Oh, this is an interesting light fixture. Oh, and it matches that one. Okay. Redo the carpet. And baseboards. It's about $225 for a linear foot. So... Oh, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I think we're at 8 windows. And we want tile in here. Maybe repaint. Probably replace that light fixture. Carry the tile in through here. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we're at 9 windows. This needs to be tiled as well. Recaulk. We do that at most properties. Not a big deal at all. Replace a toilet seat cover. Maybe change out the light. And that. Oh, 9, 10. I think this is 10 windows. Get some closet door guides. I think the track maybe, but definitely the door needs to be repainted as well. If we change out the hardware, we need to match the closet doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 6. Okay. So it would be 6 doors upstairs that need new hardware.